Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you are all keeping safe and doing great at the same time. Welcome to IWHAT. Today, inshallah, biqudratillah, I'm going to be showing you how to cook coconut fried rice and goat chops without using oil. Let's get straight to it. Bismillah. Rinse the goat chops. Add a little bit of chili powder. I'm adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of minced herb, 4 teaspoons of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dry pepper, 1 teaspoon of jumbo. I'm mixing it together. The amount of goat that I'm using, goat chop, is 2 kg. I finished mixing it. I forgot to add curry. You can marinate overnight or marinate for 1 to 2 hours, or you can decide to cook straight away. Add onion, then steam for 20 to 30 minutes. The rice I'm using is approximately 3 cups, which is equals to 1 kg. While waiting, try and wash your rice. This is the way I wash my rice. I soak it for like few minutes. This process is to reduce the starch without parboiling. This is the first water. You can see how brown it is. Repeat the process between 3 to 5 times. Depends on the type of rice you are cooking. I wash mine for like 5 times. You can see that the water is clean now. I still need one more process by washing it again with cold water. You can see how clean the water is. This to show you that your rice is clean and is ready to be cooked. Alhamdulillah, the meat is also done, ready to go into the air fryer for grilling. The air fryer is one of the best kitchen tools I ever bought. We use it almost every day. Set so I'll put it on 150 degree and it's going to grill for 15 minutes. While waiting for the meat to grill, it's time to cook the rice. Add the washed rice to the water, to the stock. As you can see, you don't need to add any extra maggi or salt. Just leave it to boil for like 5 minutes. Lest I forgot, I need to add the coconut flakes. Mix well. Then leave to boil for 5 minutes. This is the rice after 5 minutes. I'm adding the coconut milk. Mix well. Add the vegetable. I'm adding 1 liter of boiled water. If you like, you can put this in the oven or you can cook on stove. Cover and let it boil for about 10 to 15 minutes on the lowest heat possible. After 15 minutes, this is the way the rice look, but there's still a bit of water in it, so I'll leave for another 5 minutes, but I'll be stirring every 1 minute. Alhamdulillah, the rice is done. You can make this dinner with 10 pounds and you can serve 10 people with it.